The TAP Clarity study is essentially a UK CLL subgroup study that is run through the Bloodwise trial acceleration program. And essentially what this means is that we are able, thanks to this TAP program, we are able to open and then start recruiting into early phase clinical trials very fast. And so the idea is that we're using this program to test combination therapies in relapsed patients to look for toxicity and then also efficacy. And then if the combinations look promising, that we can then transfer them directly into our phase 3 portfolio, which is the FLAIR study, and then use them in frontline. And so the exciting thing with the Clarity study is that we're combining Ibrutinib and Venetoclax. The Venetoclax is given for 2 years after initial Ibrutinib run-in. And it obviously is being dose escalated as you would do with Venetoclax. And then it continues for 2 years, and the Ibrutinib is given until disease progression. And there's a stopping rule in there as well, so when patients become MRD negative, then the Ibrutinib can be stopped after a certain period of time. So this study showed very impressive results of MRD negativity, 40% at 8 months. And 100% overall response rate in the first 44 patients that were on study. So this is very impressive. And the good thing is now that we can then put this combination into frontline, into our FLAIR study, which will be the next FLAIR amendment. And of course in the frontline, we would then hope that at least in a proportion of patients, they will get very long-term disease control with this regimen and possibly even cure. So I think the exciting part of this is that we might be able to try these, or we have a very streamlined and efficient way now of trialing these combinations, both for toxicity in the relapse setting and then for efficacy in the frontline setting, and possibly achieve cure.